to the door line. I drive a tugger. I'm always busy picking up parts and dropping off parts because we are in an assembly plant. I do my job as if I was buying the truck and it's as if it was my company. I don't want to slack. I don't want to cut back. I don't want to cut corners. I've always had a sense of pride working at Ford Motor Company. I'm Ingrid Gibbs, and I am in material handling at the Dearborn Truck Plant. I have been at Ford for 23 years now. I was a single mother, a young mother. Had my son when I was 17 and started working at Ford when I was, 24. So I was able to create a good life for them through Ford Motor Company. That's why I give them my all every day when I go in there. They're gonna walk! Okay, we gotta get across the track real quick. Come on. Walter Gibbs is the hardest working man that I know, and I'm not just saying that because he's my husband.
I walk the whole line, make sure it's clean. I make sure the guns are working properly, make sure the safety equipment is on there. I know where every job should be, how far along you should be at your job. And if a person falls behind, I'll see it. And I'll jump right in, catch them up on their doors so they won't fall behind and they're not rushing. My name is Walter Gibbs, and I'm a team leader at the Dearborn Truck Plant.
When I first met Walter Gibbs,
Coming up on door line 41.
and I was like, man, he really works hard. Like, he'll take things apart and put it back just to make sure that he did it correctly.
Well, if I see there was a problem with the truck, it's not gonna roll off that line unless it's 100% fixed.
If Walter Gibbs touches your car, you better know that's a good car.
It's an honor to meet you, first of all.
No, this is Jim. I serve you. My grandfather started here in 28,
Okay.
1928, so this is our home, my family's home,
Yeah.
and we're very excited about what you're doing.
My grandfather worked here too as a foreman, and now I got a wife. We work here together. So,
No way.
and we have a daughter that works at Ford, so it's
No
running
way.
in the family.
There goes my mister. Hey, mister. How are you? I was having some issues with my car. And he was like, well, let me come over and take a look at your car. Maybe I can fix it. He comes to my house, and he looks at my car. He fixed it. I think maybe a month later, we went on our first date. We worked the same shift, and we ride together. We eat together, we live together, we spend a lot of time together.
People think that we get tired of each other, but we don't. We get along so well.
When I look at the F-150, the blue oval, I still get that sense of pride. A lot of work, a lot of sweat, a lot of Epsom salt baths went into building that vehicle. Went into making sure that you have a quality, safe vehicle.
I have the F-150. Quality has got to be number one. My family could be buying this truck. My kids.
Ford means family for me. Hey, Roger! We still family anyway, Willie. Ain't nothing you can do about it. I have friends that I met that I'm still friends with now from the first day that I started. We say all the time, like, look, we're not friends, we're family. Walter just came and completed it, like now we are a complete family.